gave his youth to build the home, worked his fingers down to bone, built their world with blood and pride. But now he sits alone inside. He took his phone to the repairman's shop, said, "I think it's broke, the ringer has stopped." The man said, "Sir, the signal's fine." He whispered, "Then why don't they ever call mine?" Only women, children, dogs are loved that way, with nothing asked, no price to pay. But a man's worth fades when he can't provide. He learns too late who's still by his side, and the silence rings louder than their praise. No one calls, but he waits anyway. They needed him when they were small, to tie their shoes, to catch their fall. But now they post their lives online and leave his text on red each time. He never asked for thanks or gold, just hoped they'd call when he got old. But in this world, that's not the trade. Men are only loved for what they've made. Only women, children, dogs are held so near, even when they bring no cheer. But a man must give and give again to earn a place among his kin. And when his hands are worn and his hair is gray, no one calls, but he hopes they may. If love is real, it don't depend on what you give or what you spend. But he learned late what few will say, that some folks' love just fades away. Only women, children, dogs are loved for free. But a man must be what he can be. He gave them all, and now he prays for just one call on lonely days. But the phone stays still and the hours stall. No one